Hi you guys, it's your girl Allie. I'm back again. Okay, I'm videoing on my new camera and it is the EOS Rebel T7. This is the camera right here and I'm videoing on it now. And then it comes in a bag. I haven't opened it yet. And it comes with two lenses. Okay, so you have the 55 medium and the 300 medium bag. And it has Wi-Fi and everything. And you can also connect it to your phone, computer, and so forth. Just wanted to show you guys, and also comes with a little belt that you can attach to the camera. Alright, till next time, I will be posting a video very soon. Just wanted to show you guys the video that I have now with my new camera. I'm excited. Alright, see you guys.